Howdy folks, Dr. Will Wong here. You might have noticed that I've had a few shows deleted from YouTube because YouTube owes its allegiance to the Red Chinese and communism and not to freedom of speech, freedom of thought, freedom of expression, not to the US Constitution, and not to your best interest or mine, but to corporate fascism. So, since they've been deleting truth, not only my website, but others, let's leave this channel just the way it is. And I invite you all to come see my newer shows that aren't expunged, that haven't been listed here, so they don't get deleted as well. Come over to BitChute and go to dr.william.wong, dr.william.wong, and see my latest shows. And we're going to try to load most all the shows that we presently have on YouTube onto BitChute so that they're available there as well. But more importantly, the shows that have been deleted, the shows in the future where I speak to things like the CCP bug and all the other stuff that the Marxist-Leninists on YouTube don't want you to know, will be on BitChute. I wish you all God's blessings. Be well, be safe. I'll chat with you soon. Bye-bye.